Hi everyone, I hope you're good guys and welcome for a new tutorial. Today I want to talk about the release of an envelope. So basically here I have my MP3 envelope like this, so it's kind of a plucky sound and I assigned a macro release. The reason why I've done that is it's really interesting to play with the release, especially during your breakdown or your build up to add kind of tension or variation. You know, usually you can use the cutoff, but if you want something a little bit different or if you are using a kind of very melodic plucky sound, usually you see the filter is already a lot open because it's a kind of very high in the note, so you cannot really play with that, and a good way to add variation is to play with the release. So let's say I play something randomly and I'm gonna increase the release and you're gonna see what I mean. I put a bit more decay. And it's kind of acting like a kind of reverb, if I can say so. And it's a great way to add a bit of modulation during your build-up, breakdown, add tension just before your sound's dropping, and something different than the cutoff. You can combine this obviously with some reverb to accentuate the effect. But yeah, or even during the track, it can be always good, like to play having something plucky and, for example, at the end of the bar. And go back plucky. Yeah, just experiment with that. So I hope this quick tip you like. Thank you very much for watching. Do not forget to like and subscribe. Thank you very much. See you soon guys. Bye bye.